This is Tajamuladil. In order to improve indoor air quality, Air Purifiers removes contaminants from the air in a room. With the Max S Air Purifier from DREO, you get the benefits of H13 True HEPA technology. Get this opportunity to buy Max S Air Purifier from DREO, which cost about $219.99, and I will share 20% discount code in the video and the video description, and this code will expire on 30th of November. Featuring a stylish LED display, the Max S Air Purifier displays detailed air quality readings such as PM 2.5, clean air percentage, and color indicated depending on air quality. We are going to test out 3 different airflow settings on a Max S Air Purifier. The lowest airflow setting is reached by pressing once, medium airflow by pressing twice, and high airflow by pressing 3 times. In any of the 3 modes, the noise was not bothersome. The turbo button allows you to increase air power to the maximum level. According to my research, turbo mode is not louder than the other air purifier's maximum setting. Next, you will find the sleep mode button. You won't be able to hear the unit when it's in sleep mode. In addition, we have a filter reset display information which can be changed to show clean air or dirty air information as desired. When in auto mode, the air purifier adjusts the fan speed as needed to clean the room's air. These timers work perfectly for 2, 4 or 12 hours. It's nice to be able to set the timer before you go out all day and come home to a clean house. An active filtration system with a 99.985% efficiency is used in the DREO Max X. This system is also capable of filtering particles smaller than 0.3 microns out of the air. Max X active purifying system senses tiny changes in air quality and quickly reacts to trap pollutants before they become a threat. The Max X features a very clever feature. Once you switch off the light, it will turn off the bright LED display and big LED color light, and when you turn the light back on, the LED display will turn back on all the display lights. Basically, its feature is designed for sleep mode. The active purifying system of the Max X detects small changes in air quality and reacts quickly to trap pollutants before they pose a threat. With the DREO app and voice control, it's now easy to clean your home's air as well as provided air quality reports. The DREO app is available in the Apple and Android stores. The Max S Air Purifiers need to be added to the Smart App, and we need to allow a few options. Click 5 seconds on a timer button and it will pair with the Smart App after a few seconds, so you can name the device whatever you wish. It shows air quality on top, clean air status, and then the True HEPA filter live status on the app. With the app, we can control the fan speed by pressing the low to the higher button. Additionally, we have a turbo mode button, an auto mode button, and a sleep mode button. There is a timer setting options with the option to select by hours and by minutes. A cool feature is an ability to turn the LED big lights on and off while we are in a sleep mode. You can lock your child, view information, set auto mode, and use Alexa or Google Assistant voice control options. The Max X can also be turned on and off, which is quite useful. For 2 weeks, I'm using Max S Air Purifier, and now I'm showing how effective its active purifying system is. We have the option to remove the H13 True HEPA electrostatic filter from the back of the Max X, so let's do that. The air purifier's big H13 True HEPA electrostatic filter is quite dirty just after 2 weeks, so let's remove it. I am quite surprised to see that even after removing the H13 HEPA filter, the air purifier is so dirty. I am currently cleaning the air purifier with a brush and so making sure that it is proper cleaned. The back filter has an empty space after cleaning, which looks good to me. You can see the amount of dust removed from the H13 HEPA filter, and it took almost 3 to 4 minutes to clean it. It features a 3-stage filtration system that consists of a pre-filter, an H13 HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. After cleaning the filter with the brush, it took almost 3 to 4 minutes, and now it's ready to go back into the air purifier. The air purifier cover should now be cleaned gently with a brush. This will ensure that it is thoroughly cleaned. Putting the back cover is easy, just place the bottom first and lock from the top holder. A blue light indicates clean air, a green light indicates moderate air, an orange light indicates less moderate air, and a red light indicates unclean air. In most air purifiers you will not find this option. Both the Max X and the Macro Pro air purifiers are from DREO, and you can find the prices in the video description. Both of these air cleaners are very different in size, and their capacities are also very different. Despite being only 7.3 pounds, the Macro Pro air purifier measures 15.2 inches tall and 9.84 inches in diameter and provides clean air delivery rate of 183 cubic feet for smoke, 175 cubic feet for dust, and 204 cubic feet for pollen, whereas the Macro X weighs 11.89 pounds and is 20.86 inches tall and 11.22 inches wide. Macro Pro has an effective area of 283 square feet, while Macro X has an effective area of 423 square feet. The noise level of the Macro Pro is between 20 and 54 decibels, while the noise level of the Macro X is between 24 and 50 decibels. It features a beautiful LED light and an active filtration system for filtration and purification of your air. You can find the 20% discount code in the video description and also the buying links in the video description. It's cost about $219.99. If you're looking for a tower fan, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.